There's a few different ways you can iterate over an array list to analyze your data. Come on, let's learn some Java.
In this case, we're starting our index at 0 and incrementing by 1 each time. We're going to continue to do this as long as the index is less than the size of the list. And in the body of the loop, we could do multiple things, but in this case, we're printing out each classmate's name. Classmates.size is 4, so we're going to iterate as long as index is less than 4. So we start index at 0. In the body of the loop, we are going to access the value at index 0, which is Liz, and we're going to print it to the console window. Then our index will go to 1. We will access the value at index 1, which is Emma, and Emma will be printed. Index will go to 2. We'll access the value at 2 and print John to the console. Index will go to 3, access the value at index 3, and Austin will be printed to the console. Index will go to 4, and then we will stop.
Be sure to like and follow, and check out the links in our description.